This 5-minute solution will show you how to post in the Facebook Meta Business Suite. First of all, open Meta Business Suite and its URL is business.facebook.com, and make sure to select here your business account to work with. Once you are in this home page, here you can directly create a post for your Facebook page and Instagram, or you can create a reel, you can create a story, you can click on more, you will get more options here. And now let's create a basic post for our Facebook. Here you can add a photo and a video from here, and in this box you can write here your post description, and here we can see the preview. Let's attach a photo. So here we can see the preview, and scroll down. You can schedule the post from here, and you can change your post privacy here. Then scroll up. If you connected your Instagram account in your business account, then you can post any photo or a video to your Instagram and your Facebook at the same time. To do that, click on this post to drop down, and here select your Facebook page and your Instagram to post the same post to these two different platforms. Or you can post only on Facebook or only on Instagram. Now all you have to need is click on publish. It may take some time to post, and you can boost your post from here. And here we can see the post has been posted successfully. And to see all of your posts, click on content, and here select post and reels, and here you will get all of your posted post and reels. You can go to stories to see your stories. So this is how we can post in the Meta Business Suite. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.